Hey everyone, my name is Ms. Hunt. I will be your Principles of Business and Finance teacher for the fall semester. I did want to just take a couple of minutes. Unfortunately, because of the whole pandemic and COVID, still we are unable to do the face-to-face open house. So I wanted to introduce myself and just kind of give you a little bit about what this class is about and what you will be needing for my class. So first of all, it is Principles of Business and Finance. So it is an elective, but if you're interested in wanting to go into business for yourself, or maybe you want to go into banking or insurance, or even if you want to go into maybe become a doctor, but you want to run your own business, anything of that nature, this is a great class to take. We talk about anything from communications to pricing on learning how things are priced and marketed from based on supply and demand, all kinds of things that we learn in this class pertaining to business and to finance. This is what you're looking at right now is our Canvas class, and so you will get to see a variety of stuff. Some of the links that you click on will not be available, like if you scroll down where it has all these little modules. I didn't want to overwhelm you guys with all the stuff, so we do have 7 units that we will be covering, so there will be 7 modules here. Then the last module will be for our final exam review. I know it has EOC because we are a state test, so it is an end of course state mandated exam that you will have at the very end of this semester. So I do not have any of these open to you guys because as we are going through each module, I will open those up so that you guys will have access to those. But I did want to cover, I want you guys to just kind of play around and look through the course overview, the syllabus. I have different resources that are here. My contact information. So let me go ahead and just start with that. If you have any questions for me, the best way to contact me is through Canvas. So over on the left-hand side, you have this inbox. So use the Canvas inbox and message me there. It comes straight to my phone, so that's going to be the quickest way. So whether or not I'm in the classroom or not on my computer, I could have access to getting your messages. And that's going to be, if you want a quick response, that's going to be the easiest way to do it. I do have a Google Voice, so this is my Google Voice telephone number. It is linked to my personal cell phone, so if you have a question, so let's say you've tried me through Canvas, can't get me there, and I'm not just saying just inbox me in Canvas and then go ahead and text me or whatnot. A day goes by and I haven't responded, then maybe you can use your text message and just text me a quick message. Email is probably the last resort just because I get about 100 emails every day, and from other teachers, other staff members, junk mail, spam, all that good stuff. And so I don't want to overlook anything for my students. So if you message me in Canvas, that only comes from my students or from their parents. Okay. So I am in F112. So for you guys that are not familiar with the school, the 112 means I am on the bottom. And I am actually on one of the buildings that are closest to Fayetteville Road. So if you're coming from the office, you're walking down the main hallway, you're going to pass Rainbow Hallway, you're going to come to, whether you got to turn left or right, you're going to turn right. That is F wing, and I'm all the way down on the right. So that will be my room number. I am right across from the water fountain on F wing. So I'm going to go back to the home screen. I want to just cover a couple of things really quickly. So your syllabus, again, you can read through a lot of this stuff. I wanted to cover things that you need for my class. So of course you will need a school issue computer. You will need a binder. Majority of our stuff will be through Canvas, but you will have some handouts and you will have vocabulary that you'll have to do and study guides. So I do recommend you getting a binder, about a 1-inch binder. You will need 9 dividers, and so I've got it listed here how I want the dividers named. So you'll have one for starters, and then unit 1 through unit 7, and then your EOC review, which will be your study guides that you will get at the end of each unit. If you have any questions about any of the materials, please let me know. And again, just go ahead, play around with Canvas, look through it. Again, there will maybe some links that are not available just because I haven't opened it up to you guys because again, I don't want to overwhelm you. But again, just play with it. I look forward to Monday. Again, remember school starts at 8:20 this year, so we'll go from 8:20 to 3:20. And yeah, I'm looking for a great semester, a great time with you guys. And if you have any questions, please feel free to go ahead and message me in Canvas. Thanks, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.